frequency trees look quite similar to tree diagrams that we were looking at last lesson. They have a slightly different layout. In frequency trees, you write the category on the branch and the totals, or whatever value represents that, at the end of the branch. So in this question, we have a paragraph that tells us some information, and we're being asked to first of all complete the frequency tree and then answer a question that relates to the frequency tree. So we're being told the first sentence says that 62 people took part in the talent show. That's your starting point here. 43 of the people were women. So that first sentence actually tells us our first value here. 43 people of the 62 were women. 10 people made it through to the final and the rest were eliminated. So we know that these two branches here have to add up to 10. There's two final values and they both have to add up to 10. So I'm just going to write that as a reminder there. We're then being told that 3 men made it through to the final. So I can now fill in from 62, the branch that says men, final must be 3. Well, if these two add up to 10, then this one must be 7. So I know that 7 women made it to the final. The rest I can fill in just by doing some simple subtractions. If there were 62 in total and 43 were women, I can subtract 43 from 62 to give me 19. If there are 19 men altogether and 3 of them made it to the final, I know that 16 of them must have been eliminated. And finally, if there were 43 women and only 7 made it to the final, then I know 43 subtract 7 is 36. Okay, I've completed part A, I've completed the frequency tree. I would also just take a minute, double check your addition, so make sure these two add up to give you this branch, these two, etc. Just to make sure your frequency tree is right so that you do not get your follow-on marks wrong. Okay, part B is asking us what fraction of the men made it through to the final. Now, a common error here would be to find the number of men that made it to the final, which is actually correct, it's 3, but a lot of people would write 3 out of 62. Now, you've got to be really careful when you read the question. It's saying what fraction of the men made it through to the final. So my denominator has to be the total of men, not the total people altogether. There were 3 men that made it to the final, so the fraction of the men that made it to the final is 3/19. I can't simplify that because both numbers are prime.